Welcome to Unisellergy. If you're unable to log in because you have forgotten your password, don't worry. Resetting your password is quick and easy. On the login screen, click on Forgot Your Password below the Sign In button. Now enter the email address linked to your Unisellergy account. After entering your email, click on the Reset button. We will immediately send a secure password reset link to your registered email address. Please open your email inbox and look for a message from Unisellergy support. If you do not see the email in your inbox, please check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes the email may take a few minutes to arrive, so please wait for a short while. Click on the Reset Your Password button inside the email to continue. You will be redirected to the Set New Password page. Enter your new password and then re-enter it to confirm. Make sure your password is strong and secure. Once done, click on Reset Password. That's it. Your password has been successfully reset. Click on Back to sign in and log into Unisellergy using your new password. You're all set. Welcome back to Unisellergy. Start managing your business easily with Unisellergy. All your sales channels on one powerful platform. Thank you for watching our system walkthrough.